like they're a part of the school. We also use it as kids move from year to year. And again, I shared about how our 8th grade data follows the students to 9th grade so that that data is readily available in those transition years as well. So we're using it with students, with teachers. Administrators look at the aggregated view from a school perspective to find out if there's school-wide pieces that are going to contribute to improving trend lines for all students in their school to affect more positive outcomes. And then we also use it in transition periods as well as counselors for, again, some of that wraparound support.
Well, thank you for touching on counselors, because our next question is about whether your district expects teachers to intervene with the social emotional issues, or if those really get referred to your counselors and social workers.
Well, it depends on the degree. You know, Scott showed you, and we showed you the the highlighted chart. So if kids are falling into the at-risk category, absolutely they're getting referred to counselors, because that means that they're at tier 3. They need wraparound services, and we've got to intervene, and intervene very intentionally. So we're very fortunate to have counselors at each of our school, and of course multiple counselors at the middle and high school level. Because we're a very high poverty district, and our kids come to us at risk. So we've got to be very, very intentional about how we use this information. But if our kids are showing up red, that is a tier 3 intervention that is going to take above and beyond what a typical classroom environment can help to address. And so we're going to bring in our counselors, and our counselors are going to be very, again, strategic about how they work with kids, and they're going to group them based on a lot of the data that they're receiving. In the classroom, we're going to get trend lines as administrators, which really suggests, and I can look at a class using this data, and I can tell how